I'm Angela Giles with Blue Note Bakery in Austin, Texas, and this is how you make frosting roses. The materials you'll need are a spatula, a rose nail, and a piping bag with a rose tip filled with buttercream. Step one, you pick up the nail and you make a blob of buttercream. You start with the fat end in and wrap it around the blob to make a rosebud. Then one petal at a time, you just squeeze and pull, coming down. Start from the bottom, come up a little bit, and bring it back down as you go around, making each individual petal. It's best to work in odd numbers. Start with 3, then you go to 5, and then 7. Sometimes the buttercream can be a little stiff and hard to pipe. Next, you lift it off with your spatula, and you have a lovely little buttercream rose. I'm Angela Giles with Blue Note Bakery in Austin, and that's how you make frosting roses.